Daktari. Super Medical Center igutoka somo chebosongo.
Ndizi TV. Ubwansu. Gusii.
Chumurikire bono CHINSA n'ISANO IBERE chabona basenga kenane ngo kwaligania SMS ya mwana AMAYIA nyaro kumanya gati yali yatogendete kwaligania anabono asiri tukeliga ali Jumamosi stariki nibiro mutinyo gatatu mwaka w'ikiri bubere na meronge berene na manga gende tokolekana ayabaliki waito bagendete kubwatia sobo ime anabono ali yakolekana ime yorongoro Gusii naboigo na isiku rogongo Gusii niko bono kuburgo kogendrete anekurwa sensemeria yekyombe kirikibanya gitari KMPDU nikagiribuna asubutuko bwa rero nigabanya gitari anebono wetrase kyombe kirigia Kenya Medical Practitioners Union KMPDU bagukigire meroberi bene nabo korri bwikinya gitari mukagirgo turubonigwa gochakiri tukulia rero butuko magaye kyombe kora ryo mugirobo asabanya gitari baratigemere muri tukulia rero asuku yarigane sukurobekana kanene korakorekana lituko lya Jumatatu ayonga tyarto chikumulekera SMS ya mwana AMAYIA sumoba sobono nyina bokondra gotobwati goitena nsembili mtandao nsembili ya Facebook na bogotena buna Ndizi TV News Digital na boiga nsembili ya YouTube na bogotena buna Ndizi TV News tobazukweba gotobwati goitera nsembili ya website yetu na www.ndizitv.net onyara konyara ya munenda mange Olitoko bwatira nere goitira sumu na bwo imanyeryo igakoro kwa Lydia Mose kerokero na Felicitas Kabendi akone kichibi chamuri gichawikire senchira yobo ikirano kwenda seke kerebusyo tosangama na SMS mangana mayisano IBERE chebon mboso Saranso ikibono tumenya senchira yobo ingehiretirana nchinkro kwa VINCENT ONYANCHA MSC mangana mayitogo chaka kurwase wodi ya Nyansiongo kutoka se county ya Nyamira se bunge ya Burabu ni gobono gati ya minyikorwa senseme yubarokane kwe murungania anaso kunyara komo chienseme ya serikali asa ogo tango yokorosi wa weki ombekirigete tamangana obo chori IBC kolengana na bwatani kurwase wodi ya Nyansiongo ni gobate rubuna maiga yoko tikara batabati mu MCA ni gobono baganiri asobwanga IBC kunyara korosi gona ba commissioner go chorwa elibanyare go so senseme ya siasa elikunyara go choro mu MCA ase wodi ya Nyansiongo yibone tigarite tabwati mu MC onde bwense ko bwatakano butsuka no bwikura obono bakolekanete obochuru mwaka bwikiri bubere na meronge bere nebere gose 2022 kati amenye boygoni go bate bere bunanse ya magendro ime ya Nyansiongo ni gobono ya rokane gotikara maiga ko murungani yoku kwa buri go cyase serikali tonyorango ikingese kyoroboti ruruganda to kwaligani gwa no muri kiko Paul Cup okara
Nyansiongo amaendelea ni maiga asinyejo umurai nduranyora murai ura turai Nyansiongo ward twagete chikura last time twakachikura buya tukakora twakachikura tukakora alafu gambea makosa ratoka leta abantu banyansiongo ward limocho ora IPC ya choru ya koriru tomanye gotenena twakachikura tusharo murayo twanchete igo entra tebuna basaye banyansiongo ward nabantu bose banyansiongo ward twerande maiga sinye chikora sinye cyakira tambe sana Nojikona tamu mete minute na toreni le maiga sije mantra ibintu byasare kirede Nyansiongo ward igoro tonene buna buna youth sina totene ga mega ito totene twakechikura wango amaendelea sije miaka ya 100 sana
astraundi ndo akachikura kuru Nyansiongo magosaka jaga toka ali Nyansiongo ward kuruabu ekabanga ngoro torenge chikura ukirabona ndora gendo gino sikega ndrete so tuwachora para ya bange nabono ari Nyansi ari tawni ido akidauri ndobu atichononya asaba ngina kwa itobechiro bakwande etogo saba IBC yare wanje chorwira ne bwango egere to irana to akachikura to gendere mnachi
nago tigara na yubono nigeri ritukoryo mwerio hane mono asensemeria ye chigosori chukego se drama festivals echibono chikubatene rongo rwa Nyanza icyabere chigokolekana ase skuru ya besike ya Nyaburure gotoka ngamenye county ya Kisii aso moko yega skuru chinga nigache soki asenseme ye chigosori chukwegia samamerani ya bereka okolekana kolengana nensemeria ye chigosori hane mono munyakirobo asenseme ya region kubwatana n'abanyakirobo bande ane mona senseme chigosori chukwegia ni gobe soki na konyara ukwanengani neyo asabona nigo baganiri serikali kone kinango sirere chikosori chokwege na bwegene byo chiskuru chinga kecho oyomo oterneta sensemelia aye ege korogose director of culture ase county ya Kisii obino nyambanene ni geso kunyara gukone ngana gotebuna ni gaborokiwa abo bantu ko bagalia bana sokunyara korokia ebyego byabune nchire mu yo kunyara wekine na kugenderera ne mona sama tukale busyo ekero biranyale biko basira.
We started the activity on Thursday, 29th. Today is our final day, the third day, and the activity has been so good. It has really been entertaining. This is a very, very good opportunity for our youths to display their skills, and it is an opportunity because out of this, a number of the youths will be able to earn their living, because a number of them will be able to act. They will be able to develop their own content, and this will be a source of income and employment to them. As TVET institutions, the biggest challenge is we don't have any funding from the government specifically for sports and recreational activities like the drama, and we are looking forward to the government in the future at least bringing some financial support.
What I want to say is that parents should encourage their sons to do what I call dual system in their training. They take both TVET and talent areas, because I may be an engineer, I may be a good person in masonry, good in social work, but if I add my talent of music, I add my talent of drama, my talent in these areas, I can go far. And you have seen today in journalism, for example, those journalists who have an extra talent in the area of drama and comedy, they go far compared to those who are only basically journalists, or those who are serving, for example, in companies like Post Office, KPA, who have sports. They go far. We have even our athletes today, like ONYANCHA is both a policeman and both are an athlete. So it is a double advantage. So we encourage the parents not to fight with their children when they have some talents in areas, but to encourage them that they both pursue their talents and pursue their careers.
Funzi kutoka vio vyote hivi tunafurahia, kwa sababu hiyo inaonyesha kwamba nyumbani huku lazima watu wamefanya biashara kidogo. Kadhalika hii ni kueneza tamaduni zetu na vile watu walivyoishi kitambo na vile watu wanavyoishi, kwa sababu hili ni funzo kuwa michezo ya sanaa hii inaongezea faida katika mtoto ule ambaye anaigiza. Kadhalika inatufunza maigizi kutokana na yale ambayo yanatendeka katika jamii. Hii michezo ni kioo cha maisha na ni kioo cha jamii, na hapa tunasoma mengi. Sio hiyo tu, watoto kupitia mambo kama haya ujifunza, na huku nje huunda hata filamu ambazo zinawalisha the way siku hizi hatuna kazi mingi pale, lakini mtoto ambaye anashikilia hii mambo
na gotikana yubono mwancho muligererio murebwe kama kya ODM rera morodinga ni garokana ko moche bana siasa anebona babunge nchira bago itimiswa se bunge kolengana reni gate birebu nambali ko bwati machikali atekere asoko nyara ko engere nsemeye moimeye bunge asoko nyara go etia gati emiswada agento anyarega ko mulikirana ko gikiri muno anemonengana kwanere yoboga chiwe chinyomba go affordable housing abase bunge ya rokana go itebirane nganejo asikonda bori ya senate keranya olengane yukone kibuna kuyiri bale unenchire mu yokonyara ko guserio mo Kenya musigo murito ane mono asense mo yokurwa kwebango chinga kicirera morodinga ni gate biruna ere bijabono sebyombe briteneta oborosi wa wechi barakera nakura kone kubuna ko tigarabire inse ye serikali ye county rera ni gate biruna byombe bise ko tigara ase serikali ci county kibari kinyinge kibe kikorosigwa nakurwa samaboko ya serikali ya nawe go ni government kagote yabuna haise ko goli bagabene anasoborai obwa akoligia abuno munyakirobo bo mu bwechinse EU nachikirania mangra boygo nachikwenyera bwatani baje haiga sense ya Kenya gotabatiga maiga ingana yairwa kuboko no mugavana we county ya James Orange.
You've seen so many new bills being developed and being taken to Parliament with the intention of plowing back on devolution. We are saying that this is a process that is unconstitutional and that must be resisted. That there are functions which were centralized before, like in terms of infrastructure, the roads, Kura and Kera existed at that time because we were dealing with a unitary system of government. Today, Kura and Kera should actually fall under the county government. My request to be the chairman of African Union Commission, I'm thanking them. But when I go to Addis Ababa, I will be very much around here. I'm not going anywhere.
I want to say that I join the rest of Kenyan patriots who are supporting
ya chinga kiyo chiba igomure kyama kyana Kenya musubati Martha Karua neraniga iroko bokomure kyama kya ODM rara morodinga so chekuligie kergo kyobonya kirobo aso mu CHINSA African Union chibonate birubu na chiranya rwekirania magendro ense yomure kyama kya ODM rara morodinga Karua ni gate birubu na raira nero isaina sekero kyobonya kirobo asate birubu na mpachi kumusira anemona sogo kya kobomunya kirobo womo CHINSA.
We want to say as a party that we support Raila Odinga's bid for the AU chairmanship. And we believe that every patriotic Kenyan should support that bid.
Na gotigana na ibono omwanchi omorigereria abarai aoni gobarokane ko okoboko emiroberi ya KMBDU anemona sokorobekana orobotra chigokumanyia ase biro bitari ebitambe anemono igoro yokorobekano kuri nkomanyi gubuna kuri ensemble studio roboti igoro yankigima anemono igoro yenchira abarai bago chiwekirania okorobekana kwabo ose ensemble ya yabanyagetari KMBDU obono babere bako gikeria okorobekana wakorekana tuko lia sa aramisi mega yabanya nyimbo okorokana kumuingira na kumutigara chinkoma omurike mone wekyombekereki kia banyagetari KMBDU kolengana abarai yabuni ko bate birebuna ni gabanyagetari batako iwesiko na wanchiro korobekana kolengana nekatiba.
So this attack must be condemned wholeheartedly as inexcusable and unfortunate, and those men who were involved, because I'm sure it is all there in cameras, should be held to account.
KMPD condemns in the strongest terms possible the police brutality meted against unarmed and peacefully demonstrating doctors and the attempted assassination of our SG, Dr. Davji Atela.
To lob tear gas canisters and to brutally attack about 600 professional doctors who are just marching for their rights is completely wrong, and it is something to be condemned.
Hao wale daktari ambao walikuwa wanaandamana hawakubeba silaha yote. Katiba ya Kenya inaturuhusu mtu yoyote kuandamana bila kubeba silaha. Lakini unapata kwamba hawa madaktari walipokuwa wanaandamana walitoa ilani kwa polisi.
Come Monday we will be out there to make sure that the rights of all workers in this country are respected and the union leaders, because if you want to assassinate a union leader, what are you saying? You are saying that
na boigo ekyombe kyabalimu na tinigo wana okyarokane ko moche serikali ensemelia yobolendi ane wizara yobolendi asogotatinga yobolendi chinsemo chiri rokane go twaro busagani ane mona imeya notistan amune chinsemo chinde sabali mwa rokane go itwana go sire bugima amagimabo nigo chinga kichina tibono bagani serikali ko ane kuna chinsemo chi abalimu abango be kubala rona boigo ko ane kibuna abanyanyimba bange ngoto bara senseme yobolendi boiranire nsem kolengane kyombe kinigo bate no kwerana nse ko bolendi go kwerere mono abantu abango chande kabalimu ko goitwa engana bate birubuna egwante koligererwa aso imechinga kichini go babore kyombekerye ko bali kabali mu boigo kone kibuna bali bali bagotumwa sensembe yinko bara marube ne serikali na koli kwa ansensembe ya permanent and pension bo nigo chinga kichibono ntati basingerera gote yabuna mbali chikondra nemiremo onye obo itina boigo no busari bogo chikondra komenta chinsemo chiri chiabere chimbe anemona saba ali mbabere bagoitwa gusiri mu bwabo nigo nati bate birubuna mbachi ko boli abali mu gotigemere ma chinsemo chonyo boli ndio botinde mboli go chigotingi wase chinsemo cho
Transmara, border of Migori and Transmara in Narok, the same, it is affecting our members. So we have said, and I have that message from the Secretary General, that such areas should be gazetted as security zones, and that the government should fulfill the promise of posting police officers. In fact, they talked of posting national police service to all our schools, because we cannot continue losing our learners, our teachers, in either skirmishes or banditry attacks. The Teacher Service Commission should post enough qualified trained teachers to our schools and ensure that as they post these teachers, for instance, the intern teachers, they should be well remunerated. And those who are intern teachers, the message from the SG is that they should be converted to permanent and pensionable within 1 year. Within 1 year of service.
Kwa hivyo peleka ombi letu kama walimu ya West Pokot, kama leadership of Kenya National Union of Teachers West Pokot branch, kwamba watuongezee walimu.
Mwanchu muligire bono ayungati yari nabakiko kwariganiria asumuka sobono chikoraganire CHINSA ikomisha bono marago baningira na SMS iganyara gukumanya yo munanda mange unabalike baita baganira ko yasangire ko cingongo chonsi imene siko yorogongoro gusimbia muna soko chara gotengera Ndizi TV obwansu bo mugusi Felstars Kabendi nero nyara ko ene kebuna kwanyora yu goetera asomuna boimanyiro tomera nichinga kinda nsemelie mtandao una botamba TV ya mwanchu muligire ya ansabu na bokotonyara goetera nsemelie mtandao Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na boigo bona nsemelie YouTube na Ndizi TV website yetu munabotambe www.ndizitv.net tomuraninga kienda naende chikoraga ikomeretera n'enkuru kwa Vincent Onyancha.
Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi.
Mpendwa msikilizaji, ni Daktari Mama Nakaima, daktari wa mitishamba, daktari kutoka pale Ukambani. Kliniki yangu ama ofisi yangu inapatikana pale Kisii Nyamatalo Junction. Nasaidia kwa mashinda kama bile ugonjwa ya UTI, kisonono, kifafa, tumbo inakusumbua kila saa, kichwa inakuuma kila saa, miguu inakusumbua kila saa, macho inakusumbua kila saa, na upande wa kizazi nayo nashughulikia. Yani wenye wanapata mimba kama zinatoka, mwenye akona infection sehemu ya siri nayo nashughulikia, mwenye hana nguvu ya kiume nayo tunashughulikia, na upande wa ndoa yani mapenzi tunashughulikia wenye wametengana na wenye wana yani customers kupitia biashara yao nayo nashughulikia, na mashinda mengi sana. Kwa maelezo zaidi ni 0757102581. Karibuni kwa kliniki.
Wima Electricals and Electronics ni wauzaji wa bidhaa za kuunganisha stima na pia bidhaa za elektroniki zinazotumia stima kama vile televisheni, hoovers, decoders, birika za kuchemshia maji, mashine za kunyoa nywele, DVD player, bulb za aina zote, power extensions, consumer units, showers, solar panels, inverters, industrial sockets, switch boxes, hookah sockets, circuit breaker, pasi, insulator, testers, meter boxes na zingine nyingi. Kwa mengi zaidi watembelee mjini Kisii katika jumba la Gusii Plaza room namba G2 au wapigie simu kwa nambari 0715009820.